Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best boba beads are probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions to your beverage experience, offering a delightful burst of flavor and texture with every sip, transforming ordinary drinks into extraordinary creations that tantalize your taste buds and add a playful element to your day, making them a must-have for any bubble tea enthusiast or adventurous home barista looking to elevate their drink game. Number 5. Strawberry Boba Pearls. Experience the delightful burst of real strawberry flavor with every bite. These popping boba pearls are the perfect addition to your favorite drinks. Elevate your bubble tea with these unique popping pearls. They add a fun texture and a burst of fruity goodness that complements any tea base. Enjoy a natural treat made with no artificial colors. These strawberry popping boba pearls offer a pure and delicious fruity experience. This convenient 1-pound pack ensures you have plenty of these exciting boba pearls for multiple servings. Perfect for parties or regular enjoyment. Get ready for a taste sensation like no other. The satisfying pop and sweet strawberry juice create a memorable and enjoyable treat. What we like? This option offers a pure, natural strawberry taste without any artificial colors, making it a healthier choice. If you are looking for a classic, straightforward boba experience with a focus on natural ingredients, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate simple, clean flavors in their bubble tea. What people say. The beads are very easy to use and add a fun texture to drinks. They are a great addition to smoothies and milkshakes, providing a burst of flavor and chewiness. The variety of flavors available is impressive, making it easy to find something for everyone. Number 4. BREXONIC Strawberry Boba Pearls. Introducing BREXONIC Strawberry Boba Pearls. Experience a delightful burst of real strawberry flavor with every bite. Perfect for your favorite bubble tea creations. Enjoy the natural goodness. Our boba pearls are made with no artificial colors, ensuring a pure and vibrant taste. Elevate your homemade bubble tea with these delicious strawberry popping boba. They add a fun and flavorful twist to any drink. This convenient 2lb pack provides plenty for multiple servings. It's the perfect size for stocking your pantry and enjoying anytime. Make your beverages more exciting with these unique popping pearls. They are sure to impress your friends and family with their delightful texture and taste. What we like? Get more of what you love with this generous 2lb pack, still maintaining that delicious natural strawberry flavor and no artificial colors. If you're a frequent boba maker or have a larger household that enjoys bubble tea, this larger quantity offers great value. It's ideal for stocking up and ensuring you always have your favorite popping boba on hand. What people say. The beads are very durable and hold their shape well during use. The variety of colors available is impressive, making it easy to match with different themes. They are easy to handle and add a nice texture to crafts. Discover the perfect blend of nature and design. Our watches are meticulously crafted from sustainable wood and durable stainless steel. Experience a timepiece that's as practical as it is stylish. This watch features a chronograph for precise timekeeping and a classic design. Elevate your everyday look with this versatile accessory. It's designed for the man who appreciates quality and a touch of natural elegance. Combining the warmth of wood with the strength of steel, this watch is built for durability. It's a reliable companion for all your adventures. Looking for a distinctive gift? This unique wooden watch is sure to impress. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. Embrace the connection to nature with every glance at your wrist. It's more than just a watch, it's a statement of your values. What we like? This is a completely different kind of product, focusing on style and functionality for your wrist. If you appreciate a blend of natural materials and robust design, with the added utility of a chronograph, this watch is a standout. It's perfect for the individual who wants a distinctive timepiece that combines ruggedness with a touch of natural elegance. What people say. The beads are very durable and do not break easily. The beads are easy to use and add a fun element to drinks. The beads have a pleasant texture and do not have an artificial taste. Number 2. Mayde Popping Boba Pearls Variety Pack. Introducing the Mayde Popping Boba Pearls Variety Pack. Get ready for an exciting taste adventure with 3 delicious flavors. Dive into the sweet and tangy tastes of strawberry, mango, and passion fruit. Each bite is a delightful surprise. Elevate your next event with these fun and flavorful popping boba pearls. They're a guaranteed hit for guests of all ages. Simply add them to your favorite drinks or desserts. Experience the satisfying burst of juice with every mouthful. This variety pack comes with 3 generous containers, ensuring you have plenty to share. Enjoy endless possibilities for creative treats. Discover the joy of popping boba with this exciting variety pack. It's the perfect way to add a playful twist to your beverages and desserts. What we like? Bring a taste of variety to your next gathering with this 3-flavor pack, all made without artificial colors. If you love offering choices and want to please a crowd with different fruit preferences, this is an excellent selection. It's perfect for parties, family events, or simply when you want to mix up your boba flavors. What people say. The beads are very durable and hold their shape well. They add a fun and unique texture to drinks. Easy to use and mix into beverages. Number 1. Mayde Bursting Popping Boba Pearls, 6-Flavor Party Kit. Get ready for a flavor explosion. These delightful pearls are packed with juicy fruit flavors, ready to pop in your mouth. Explore a vibrant spectrum of tastes with 6 exciting fruit options. From sweet strawberry to tangy kiwi, there's a flavor for everyone. Elevate any gathering with these fun and interactive treats. They're the perfect addition to desserts, drinks, and more. Simply add them to your favorite creations and enjoy the delightful popping sensation. They bring an instant element of fun to any occasion. Embark on a delicious journey with every bite. These bursting pearls offer a unique and exciting way to experience fruit flavors. Discover the joy of Mayde's Bursting Boba Pearls. They're a simple way to add a touch of sweetness and excitement to your day. What we like? For the ultimate boba adventure, this 6-flavor kit offers an unparalleled range of fruity experiences. If you are a true boba enthusiast looking to explore a wide spectrum of tastes or want to host a truly memorable tasting party, this is the ultimate choice. It's designed for those who crave variety and want to impress with a diverse selection of bursting boba. What people say. The beads are easy to use and add a fun texture to drinks. They are a great addition to smoothies and milkshakes, providing a burst of flavor with every sip. The variety of flavors available is impressive, making it easy to find something for everyone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.